as you can see here, the background is colored black. And the lid is black. And now we're going to see how to make the design stretch into the lid. So I have the colors here. I've already done the green to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. So we're going to take an orange, because I got orange right here. Alright, let's move these out of the way. That way you can kind of see what's going on. You're going to thread your needle. Okay, and then here's orange. So you're going to go on the inside, and you're going to come out through the tip, where the tip is. Well, I hope I was on camera. We're going to come out where the tip is by going through the inside. So you're going to go up inside. Let me see. Let's see if I can do it. Let me just do it first, and then I'll try to show you the camera angle. It's close enough. Okay, that's close enough. Okay, so I'm sticking out where the tip would be, and then you see where I've went up underneath the string right there. You see that? Hopefully you can see that. So I'm going to softly pull it. So I'm going to softly pull it. I'm going to leave some dangle there. Let it dangle down because I don't want it to come all the way up. And then I'm going to stitch it right back through the hole where this one is. So I'm going to stitch it back through there. So I've done that. So now it looks like I've drawn it. Okay, and then you're going to come through somewhere in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here a little bit. I'm going to pull this through, and I'm going to go to the very edge, the very, very edge. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go over to the edge. Okay, then I'm going to pull it through. And there's no rhyme or reason for what you're doing, because it's like you're drawing on paper. Okay, and now you're going to go, sorry, I'm hoping I'm on camera. You're going to go back through that hole there, and you're going to go through this hole here, and voila. So now we have the orange. We have the orange, okay? So, I'm going to go find the other side here. Come up through it like this. Stretch out your string. You're going to stitch it in there so it looks like it's in the pen. It's coming out of your pen. So you got that. So see, there you go. Then you're going to pick somewhere over here and go back through. Go back inside there. Push it back through this hole here. And then go back in here somewhere. And then come out through here. From there. And go back into that hole. And so there, now you have that one. Let's pick a different color. Excuse me. Alright. So we're going to do blue. So we've got the blue. So I'm going to come out the little hole there once you've gone up underneath. And then you're going to stick it back through. Come out through this way. Alright. And then you may want to go over here a little bit. Go this direction with it. Okay, so we may go over this direction and maybe come through here like that. Cross over it. And ta-da. Let's see. So it's pretty much, you know, you just make it how you want it, and you can do it with anything really. I'm just showing you like an example. So if you do crayons, markers, or pens, and you want the lid to be kind of cool, like somebody just took a pen and was like da 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 da, you know, just like me, you know, if I took my pen and I was like doodling to see if it writes or something, you know, or doodling, you know, you just use your pen. And then so we have pink, so we'll go through the pink, come out the pink top, ta-da, and then just go back in it, come back out the same hole. There you go. Then you may want to go over here with it somewhere pretty far. You can do that. If you want to do it pretty far, come up through here, come up through there, like that, loop it around, come back through the hole, and then go from here to there, and voila. So now you have some zigzags. So you can zigzag it any way that you want it. There's no rule or rhyme or reason. It's just however you want it. So see how cool that looks? I think it turned out pretty cool. It looks like, you know, you've drawn on it. And I think the black is kind of cool because it blurs out the background. So you mostly focus on the pen and pencils and crayons, whatever you want these to be called, highlighters. And I really like the top part because now it looks like somebody has, or paint, you know, you squeeze the paint and it squirts out. So there you go. It could even be paint if you want. Whatever you want it to be. You can always be very creative with whatever you want to do on the top. So, with that being said, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave it at an angle. Is that angled up? No, I was trying to put it in an angle so you can see the design. I guess I'll hold it. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. I hope this helps you get creative with some of your ideas. And it doesn't have to be just this particular design. You know, maybe you create something and you just want to doodle on it and do some little crazy doodles, you know. This would be really kind of fun. Kind of fun. If you want to do, let's say you want to do like a plop of paint. I'm still learning how to do this, so. Okay, where's my needle? Where are we at? Oh, okay, we're on camera. So, there's this technique, and I don't know what it's called, so somebody might correct me, but I'm still learning, so I just watched a video on how to do this because I've never seen it done before, and I didn't know how to do it. So you can always learn something new. But you take the string, I think, and you wrap it, and you go back in through the same hole, and you pull it kind of slowly, like this, and it makes like a little flower. Where'd it go? Oh, there it went. So it makes kind of like a little flower. So if you want it to look like you spilled a little paint on your lid, I think that'd be kind of cute too. So you can also do that. So if you want to put a little plop of paint on the lid or at the end, you know, right here or something, you can do that as well. So I thought that was something neat I wanted to show you and share with you that I learned today. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching, and I appreciate your time, and I hope it inspires you to do something new, learn something new, and to explore your creativity. I really love plastic canvas, and I love what I do, and I hope you enjoy these videos. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.